one major drawback is that suppose we need to perform joins. In SQL, we used to perform joins, right? So suppose we need to perform joins, and what is happening is that we need to get data from multiple shards. So suppose we are getting 20,000 data, and we are getting 10,000 data from shard 1 and 10,000 data from shard 2. So what will happen is that we need to extract the data from both the shards, and then we need to further join those data, combine those data again in order to return to the application server. So there is some extra logic which is introduced, some extra work which we need to do in order to maintain these database servers. Another major disadvantage is that since we have a lot of database servers and we need to manage each and every one of them, if one of the database server gets down, then certain amount of data will be unavailable to us. So suppose if the database server 1 is down, then all the data which is present in the range, in the key range of R1 to R2 will be unavailable to the system. Still, our system entirely won't go halt, but yeah, a certain amount of data will not be available to the database server. Another thing in database sharding is that sometimes it happens is that some data becomes very hot. Like suppose there is some sale going on and everyone is trying to buy a particular, suppose there is a new model of iPhone launched. So entire every people is trying to buy that iPhone. And suppose the data of that is present in one of the database server. So what can happen is that there can be a chance that 80% of the traffic or even 90% of the traffic is directed to one of the shard. And this is called hotspot in sharding. So it's basically the process of direction of a major traffic to one shard. So that shard is known as hotspot, and the entire process is considered as hotspot in sharding. So what will happen in that case is that suppose the 80% of the traffic is directed to shard 2, then shard 2 will be the hotspot and it will have an increasing load, and there might be a chance that that shard might fail or that shard might go unavailable for some time and our system can get halt.